Hello everybody. So today we are gonna look at the privilege escalation through this misconfiguration in Windows. So we are gonna do a Windows privilege escalation from TryHackMe. So let's begin. So it tells us how it's sometimes it's easy to just find a scheduled task, right? So in order to find, we have this. So let's use this command, right? We can do sch tags, tags. Then we are gonna search for it. So query is for search, then tn, then vulnerable tags. Then it's gonna be a full list all. So we can. Okay, so my spelling is incorrect. So let me correct that. Let me get back here. Task. Okay, let's try it again. Let me just clear this screen. So CLS. Then we have this schedule tasks. Then query, query, then T, and then VULNTASK, and then full list um, V. So we have all this information that we gather from this. So we have this task name, we have this runtime, we have all this. So our aim is to modify the schedule task. So it's located on this task. Then we have the schedule dot task dot bed. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna say it again. It's on C, then it's gonna be on tags, then schedule tags dot bed. So let's see the permission for that. So we can do IC CAL ICACLS. So it's on C, then it's on tags, then we have schedule dot bat file. So let's see the privilege. So it's down here. So we have a built-in user which has a full access, and we have the anti-authority system which also has the full access, and we have a built-in administrator which also has a full access. So that means if we have a built-in user which has a full access, so what we can do is to modify the schedule task.bat file. So in order to do that, so what we are gonna do is to get a reverse shell. So let's get started with it. So that's our command. So we are gonna put this file called tools. So just remember this ends netcat has been here pre-installed in this. So in your pen testing environment, so you got to install it, you got to upload it on your victim machine first, then you got to use this command, otherwise it doesn't work. So let's use command .exe. So we are gonna execute the command .exe. Then we have the attacker ID IP, it's gonna be and the 10.126.71, and we have port. Let's customize per 222, and that's gonna stay inside the C. We have a C folder. So then we have a task, then we have a schedule bat. So let's do enter. Now what we want to do is to just do nc dash lvp, then we have the port number 222, then we are listening this. So in order to activate this, right, is a schedule task, so we need to run it. So in order to do schedule tasks, then let's do run, then we have this command, then we have vulnerable tasks, so as a name, so it should get our prompt cell. So we have successfully got our cell. So we can do who am I. So we are task user. Now there is another way also which elevate the privilege. So we can see we have the MSA file. We can generate the this payload from MSM Venom, then we can get a reverse sale. So this might not work also. So this it won't work in this room because I tried it. It shows an error because you got to modify the policy, which isn't possible. So it's better to know this. Thank you guys.